Hey, what's going on, YouTube fam? This is LC. Thank you for tuning in to Law of Crypto. So today I want to talk about a project that's dropping on Polkastarter. Now we know that Polkastarter is one of the hottest gems when it comes to launch pads, and this project, I just have a feeling it's one of them things you're not gonna want to miss out on. All right, stay with me. Alright, before we get into it, I just want to let you know, if you like content like this, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know what other material you want to see. So now, the project that I want to discuss today is PolkaMarkets. PolkaMarkets is one of those things that I feel like the market is just going to explode over. Basically, you have this prediction market. Now, it's Gamified Prediction Markets. I feel like with the whole gambling industry that we have built up in the world today, this is something that's gonna go unmatched. Like, you can't bet against it. Or you could try to bet against it and you can win money by betting against PolkaMarkets on PolkaMarkets, right? So I'm gonna walk you through this, and I'm also gonna go through the white paper and let you know what's going on. But before we get into that, we see that it's launching in 8 days by the time that I'm recording this video. I'm definitely gonna get this out before it launches. But yeah, so you definitely wanna check on their Telegram, you wanna check on their Twitters, their social media accounts to see how you can possibly get into the whitelisting. But once it hits the market, man, I think this thing is gonna explode. All right, let's get back to the website. All right, so powered by DeFi, NFTs, and Polkadot. And we know everything launching on Polkadot is hot right now. 2021, I feel like it's Polkadot's year. And this is one of my first videos that I wanted to develop because I'm gonna go into a lot of the Polkadot ecosystem. I don't want anyone to miss out on it, okay? So just going through the website really quickly, it lets you know the type of things that you can vote on and bet on. So basically any world events, things going on in the crypto market and outside the crypto market. So I feel like this is going to be a great bridge, bringing people that have no idea what crypto is into the space. So our vision. PolkaMarkets is a DeFi-powered prediction market built for cross-chain information exchange and trading, where users take positions on outcomes of real-world events and a decentralized and interoperable platform on Polkadot. All right, so here we have the product. Users can monetize their forecast of future outcomes and events within an interoperable and decentralized infrastructure where your beliefs become assets with financial value traded openly on the market. So basically, if you have a strong opinion about something, and we know everyone out there has some strong opinions, you can put your money up. Put your money where your mouth is, you know what I mean? So, all right, so buy and sell fractions of events, outcomes, or even create your own events where others can take their own positions. So that's dope. You can, so you can actually say, is it gonna be cold tomorrow? Yes or no? And people can bet on it. You know what I mean? So I think that's pretty cool. Like it's creating a way for peer-to-peer transactions where you can have a little fun doing it. I definitely want to make sure everyone has caution when it comes to this kind of thing. Like, I'm not giving you any financial advice. You do what you will with your money, but I understand when there's betting involved and emotions come into play, it makes for risky investments. So let everyone make some money, but let's be smart with that money, all right? And okay, so here real quick, it says liquidity markets, DeFi, API, asset forecast, and info exchange. All right, so entertainment DeFi. More than just a prediction market, PolkaMarkets will have important entertainment features. These include NFT-based gamification, live streaming integration for in-play positions on esports and sports, and daily crypto price markets. There you go. So you can bet on the crypto market as well. Live chats and virtual events and online communities will also form a key entertainment value add to our platform. So I think this is going to be pretty smooth, but just going through really quick on their features: open and liquid markets, DeFi powered rewards model, entertainment value, user-based fee economy, governance tools, and a curated event list. So here's their roadmap. Now, phase 1 starts in the first quarter of the year with the delivery of minimum viable product, and that's MVP. So Q1 2021, crypto futures, esports market, fractions portfolio, liquidity provision, DeFi features, curated lists, and POLK mining. That mining is going to be interesting. Q2 2021, migration to Polkadot, sports market, AI powered odds, information market, politics market, NFT gamification, live stream and events. Man, this thing is gonna be huge. I mean, you don't even have to be a gambling man. You don't have to bet. You could just buy the token, and you know that other people is gonna bet. Like, you understand that. I'm not gonna say people crashed and burned, but throughout generations, we understand that there has been issues in the gambling industry. And we built a whole city off of this. It's called Las Vegas. This is a decentralized Las Vegas. A lot of people win money, a lot of people lose money. Like I said, let's be smart investors here, but it seems like it's doing decentralized Las Vegas, and I just see nothing but money. I go to Vegas every other year, so I know people getting money out there, and they gonna try to get money in here too. All right, so Q3 2021, liquidity provision 2.0, admin tools, governance, model DAO, R&D. All right, so Q4 2021, cross-chain fractions trading, stablecoin integration, and DAO governance. Whitelisting is open. Check tokenomics. Let's look at the tokenomics. That's what I'm here for. All right. About PolkaMarkets token, POLK. PolkaMarkets utility token is used for mining, liquidity providing, fees collection, and yield farming. All right, so the total supply is 100 million. Okay, that's beautiful. Like, if you follow me, you know I don't like to buy projects over 1 billion in total supply. Now it has to really get my heart if I see something over 1 billion, or I think I'm gonna make some bread. But hey, if it's under 1 billion, you got me. So 610,000 initial market cap, and 715 total raised, and 200K initial Uniswap liquidity. So yeah, we're gonna be able to buy on Uniswap. Let's see if they can get them fees down, but we good. All right, token distribution. Now the strategic sell price was 0.025 USD. Public sell price was 0.03 USD, and Uniswap listing price will be 0.05 USD. So you'll be able to get it on Uniswap for 5 cents. Let's hope it's going to be a great launch. I'm tired of these bots. I'm sure you are as well. But yeah, like, just practice some smart investing. If you see it running up on you, that's outrageous. Let's think it's a bot and hope for it to come down. Again, this is not investment advice. I just seen a couple different plays in the market, and sometimes it's good to buy early. Sometimes it's good to wait a little bit, let the air clear, wait for that price to drop, and then you can get in low. So just take that into account. But again, not financial advice. All right, strategic and public sales with 28% of the total token distribution. Marketing reserve for awareness, partnerships, and exchange listing. Liquidity fund will provide funds for Uniswap and other exchange liquidity. Team and advisors with 10% of the total token distribution. Foundational reserve with the remaining 20%. All right, so this seems pretty cool to me. I mean, even the strategic sell was only a little over 2 cents, and it's listing on Uniswap for 5 cents. I mean, yeah, people are making double their money, but that's still that's a great price for me to jump in. I mean, yeah. All right. Release details. Strategic 25% on TGE, then 25% monthly over the next 3 months. Okay. Public fully unlocked. Liquidity 10% on TGE, 10% per month over 9 months. Marketing 10% on TGE, 5% per month over 18 months. And team and foundational tokens, 1 year fully locked, then 25% a quarter. Okay. All right, this is the last thing here. So funds allocation, we get 45% of the funds will be used to support developer team. Marketing actions such as partnership, awareness, and go-to-market strategies will account for 20% of the total funds raised. I'm not part of their marketing team, but if they want to bring some of that this away, I'm with it. So let's do that. Let's get a voting system in here on YouTube. Let me get some of that bread. All right, so legal and accountancy will represent 5% of the total funds raised, and 30% of the funds will be used to provide liquidity to Uniswap and other exchanges. So yeah, man, I see nothing but upside here. I just understand the way, even before there was formal or centralized markets to place bets, people have been doing it peer to peer, just on a small scale throughout from the beginning of time. You know what I mean? So they centralized it, and that's where you get the Vegases and everything like that. If you watch Boardwalk Empire, you know that gambling was heavy in this country's, I'm in the US, in this country's history. And I feel like PolkaMarket is creating a decentralized way moving into the future to place bets in a nice, smart, and smooth way. So yeah. So DeFi and Polkadot powered prediction markets. Polkadot is a DeFi powered prediction market built for cross-chain information exchange and trading, where users can take positions on outcomes of real-world events. And Decentralized, I think I read that. All right. So here, the problem. Currently existing prediction markets suffer from key problems such as lack of liquidity in markets, lack of traders, and duplicate or confusing markets. Total prediction market volume averaged less than 1 million USD per day in 2020, and even less in years prior. Wow, I didn't know that. All right, so with such low volumes, it is impossible for traders to adequately hedge against future outcomes or take any sizable positions. And yes, let's practice safe precautions when it comes to leverage. But with low volumes comes low liquidity and therefore low fees for platform providers due to lack of active traders. A death spiral ensues, as we have seen with existing prediction markets, with virtual no users or daily volume. The solution, here we go. This is why PolkaMarkets is here. All right. PolkaMarkets aims to solve the low usage and volume problems by incentivizing liquidity providers and traders to facilitate and take large positions, while a system for curation and resolution ensures efficient and trustworthy markets. The platform will also leverage tried and tested DeFi incentives such as liquidity mining and yield farming to incentivize daily active use. Now, you got me with yield farming, all right? So they provided multiple streams in PolkaMarket for people to make money. So you don't have to place bets. You can also do your mining thing, or you can do your yield farming, all right? Now, as an entertainment DeFi platform, PolkaMarkets will offer sports and esports daily markets with live feeds of events alongside forecasting. Users will be able to watch their favorite teams play while making live in-play forecasts about the game's outcome. Wow. So you mean people can unplug their cable? They can unplug. Okay, this is real DeFi. Now, live odds and automated market makers will dynamically adjust odds based on the user's forecast on the markets. As users trade outcome fractions, they will mine POLK tokens that they can later use to open their own prediction markets on PolkaMarkets. That is too dope. So they're creating multiple ways for people to break in and hold this coin. So as you're using the Polka token, you can actually build some type of use within their platform to start to also bridge your own PolkaMarkets. And that's how they're gonna create like this world within world of different markets of betting between peers. So that's interesting. That's a good play right there. Okay, so here's their team. I haven't checked any of their LinkedIns, but they're here and you can check yourself. All right, and they got two to be announced. But yeah, I think this is gonna just blow the crypto world to higher realms. I feel like this is gonna be blasted off from here. I mean, even if no one was interested in crypto like whatsoever, they understand like there are professional gamblers out there, so then they're gonna invest in PolkaMarkets. Or the professional gamblers are gonna find this new hot thing in this hot thing called crypto and say, I do this for a living. What do you mean? Like, I make money in multiple markets already. Why not use this platform to make more money? And then they're gonna learn about crypto just to get onto PolkaMarkets, and that's bringing a whole industry into crypto. I mean, where's the market cap at right now? While I'm recording this video, the market cap is 1.5 trillion. This thing alone can bring about $500 billion into crypto. Like, I'm pretty excited about this project, man. Here I'm on their white paper. I basically read all of this on the website already. But yeah, you definitely want to click on the white paper and want to check it out a little further. But here's some strengths. With PolkaMarkets, users can take positions in esports, crypto, futures, sports, politics, and other market types. This is a financial and information marketplace where you can tokenize your knowledge and earn from forecasting. The future is in the forecast. The future is PolkaMarkets. That's a great marketing slogan, but yeah, I agree. I really agree. I mean, even people that's not professional gamblers or professional bettors, anything like that, they still have opinions. So if you had a little money on the side that, okay, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to take a dip, you can just place a bet that you have a strong opinion on. You can probably double your bread, put that into Bitcoin once it takes this dip, and then yeah, it's another way for you to basically compound on your money if you're good at making these type of forecasting bets. All right, so yeah, the product, exchange, asset forecast, liquidity market, DeFi app, I read all that. All right, so yeah, I think I'm pretty much going through what I've seen on the website. But yeah, dive in here. I mean, it's a really nice white paper. It's really clean. So dive in here and look through yourself. Do your own research. Like I said, this is all speculation, but I think PolkaMarkets have a huge future in crypto, and you want to do your research to see that for yourself. And yeah, so this is my video on PolkaMarkets. I hope you enjoyed. So yeah. If you had anything that you want me to do any reviews on, or you want me to look at the charts, I can't do a chart on this because it has not hit the market as of yet. But yeah, leave that in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Like I said, I think it's going to be a huge future for PolkaMarkets, just based off what history has shown us when it comes to gambling or bets in Las Vegas. Like, there's really a whole city called Las Vegas. I think this is going to do well. All right, so yeah, hope you enjoyed, and yeah, let's try to find some new ways to get some money. 1